Hello, techies! This is Thez and welcome to my tech story, kung saan tayo nag-share ng mga bagong videos regarding tips, tricks, and informative content via tutorial. Kaya naman kung bago kayo sa ating channel, please consider subscribing. Excuse me. So for today's video, nakikita nyo guys itong typing effect sa aking screen. So, ito yung ituturo ko sa inyo today. So, kung paano ko nga ba siya na-achieve. So, I will go back to my Canva editor. And ito yon, techies. So, as you can see, I have here 60 pages all in all. So, ayan siya. So, para sa ginawa kong animation, like this. And it says, how to create and it was deleted. And I typed back again, how to get started. So, yon. Nagawa ko siya, techies, by, let's go back to my Canva editor. Nagawa ko siya by creating a base design. So, like this. So, I have here a solid background here. This one. And then, two kinds of elements. So, the circle and the lady typing. And then, naglagay ako ng text box. Nag-add din ako ng text right here. And yung nakikita nyong symbol na to. So, kung alam nyo yung tawag dyan, techies, comment nyo lang sa ating comment section. So, para magkaroon ako nung typing effect. So, ito siya. And then, naglagay lang ako nung elements na magnifying glass. So, paano ko siya nagawa? By doing the letters one at a time. So, meaning, you need to add the letters hanggang sa matapos yung phrase or yung sentence na ginawa mo. So, every time mag-add ako ng letter, which also means add another page, this one, add page for each additional letter. So, as you can see right here, I got H and the symbol na parang nagta-type. So, ayan siya. And then, nag-add ako ng page and add the letter O. So, and then the third page is HOW space, and the other additional word, yan, how to, until I was able to achieve the first phrase or sentence. So, scroll down ko lang. Medyo mahaba kung patatagalin natin, techies. So, ito na siya. How to create typing effect. And then, same thing dun sa aking pagdi-delete. So, add ulit ako ng another page, but this time, delete one letter at a time. So, first, I delete the question mark sign, and then the letter T, E, F, and so on. Until makarating ako dun sa how to, this one, and type back again yung another phrase. So, yung how to get. So, I started with G, how E, T, and up to the last character. So, this is, so, and then Ganyan siya ka dali lang, guys. And don't forget to set the timing here. So, sinet ko siya as 0.3 seconds para hindi siya sobrang bilis, hindi rin naman siya sobrang bagal. And that's the reason why I come up with this typing effect. So, that's all for today, techies. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang content natin today, please like and share. At kung may tanong kayo, just leave a comment in the comment section. So, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. God bless everyone!